Hello my dear students. In this session I am going to explain how to simulate the VHDL program. Let us simulate half adder using behavioral model. To start the program, just double click this ISE icon, then it will ask some permission. Just click on OK, then it will open the Xilinx ISE window. After opening this window, you are going to see another one small window, that is tip of the day. Just you click on OK. And some old files are opened in this window. Go to the file menu, close all the projects. Now our screen is ready for the new program. Let us start the half adder using behavioral model. Go to the file, click on new project, then it will ask the project name. Let us give the project name as HA. Project location is by default selected. In the bottom we are having the one next button. Click on the next button, it will open the device properties. Just in the device property, confirm that its family should be Spontan tree. Next, click on the next, and in this window at the top we are going to see the new source. Just select that new source, and in the right hand select the VHDL model. After selecting the VHDL model, in the right hand we are going to see the file name. Just let us give the file name as HA, and in the bottom click on the next. After clicking the next, it will open the new source wizard. Here we are going to see the name of the entity and the architecture name. And in the same way it is going to ask the port name. Here port is nothing but inputs and the outputs. What are the inputs we are taking here? For the half adder, 2 inputs are there, and the direction is by default it is taken as IN. And how many outputs are there for the half adder? 2 outputs are there. One is called the sum, another one is called the carry. Okay, go to this drop down menu and select the out, because these two are the out. And once again click on the next button, and finish is also there. And once again we are coming back to the same one window, that where you have selected that new source. In that also, in the bottom click on the next and the finish. Then it will open the FGA design summary and all other things, and in the bottom we are going to see the design summary and our file name, what we have given the file name. Just you click on that file name. This software is automatically created the program. Our main VHDL program contains the libraries. After that it contains the entity part, and next it contains the architecture part. Entity part is going to explain the black box view of the program. Architecture part is going to give the functional view of the program. Here entity part is created by the software itself, just by taking the name of the file and input and outputs what we have given. So blue, what we are seeing here, blue words, they are all the keywords. And next to black, they are all the, black is file name and the input and output. Only our job is to enter the function of this program. What is the function of our program? This is the half adder. Half adder is going to add the 2 numbers, and it is going to give you the output as sum and the carry. Where we should add? After the begin, before the end of the behavior, you are going to write the sum and the carry. What is the sum equation? Sum equation is A bar B plus A B bar. So in the VHDL we have to take what is the output you have taken? Yes, and this is called the signal assignment statement. A bar is not of A and B, or A and not of B. For the sum we have to write this expression, and for the carry is only A and B, so we have to write this one. After writing this, just you synthesize this. While synthesizing, it asks, do you want to save this program? Then you have to say save. If this program is synthesized, then it will give you in the bottom you are going to see that it is completed successfully. That means no errors are there in your program. Now the program is ready for the simulation. How to do the simulation? Go to the sources window, select the behavioral simulation, and here we are going to see our file. Our file name is HA and its extension is .vhd. Just you select and click the right button and click on the new source. In this new source window, we have to create the test bench waveform. Select the test bench waveform. Give the file name for the test bench. Let us give its file name as H1. And in the bottom, select the next. And in this bottom, you are going to see we are going to create the test bench waveform for which file? HA file. And click on the next and finish. And in this initial timing and clocking wizard, just select the combinational. Why? Because we are doing the VHDL program for the combinational circuits. Click on finish. Then it will show the waveforms for A and B and sum and the carry. We have to set the inputs. After setting the input, simulate the program, we are able to see the output. What are the inputs? 0, 0 and 0, 1. You see here, take the mouse pointer there, just click where you want to change that inputs. It will change from 0 to 1. This is nothing but 0 and this is nothing but 1. So as usual in the digital electronics, first is 0, 0, next is 0, 1 and afterwards 1, 0 and finally the combination is the 1 and 1. These are our standard digital combinations. Let us give that standard digital combination. According to that, we are going to get the output. After setting that input, just save the program and close this window. When you are closing, we are back to the same window where you have selected the TBW. And here just use here in the sources window we are going to see that file, that is h1.tbw. Select that and come in the bottom, exactly bottom of that we are having the another window called process. Just you select that. In that process Xilinx ISC simulator is there. In that another one option is there, simulate behavioral model. You click on that simulate behavioral model, program is simulated and we are able to see the outputs. So here how to see the outputs means, let us add the marker. Just click on right button, click on the add marker. Here go on the waves and you just click once, you are going to get the marker. So here you move that marker. Here it is showing the inputs and outputs. If A is equal to 0, B is equal to 0, what is the sum? 0 and the carry is also 0. Just move the marker from this and the another end according to this waves. So the first A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1 and 0 plus 1. What is the sum? Sum is 1 and the carry is 0. In the same way, just you move this marker from this end to this end, you are going to change the values there. When a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, sum is equal to 1 and carry is also equal to 0. And a is equal to 1, b is equal to 1, sum is 0 and carry is 1. Okay, in this way you write the program and execute it. Thank you.